Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. We're so excited to have you here, especially for this special video today. I will be talking about the concept of our open classes and workshops with ExcelEd Learning. And let me just tell you how excited all of the instructors are to get on with this new project we have started. So let's get into the details. How will these classes work? So our instructors will host their YouTube premiere or live as their workshop. So this link will be available to everyone. We will be posting it on our website and on all of our social media platforms. So just be sure to check in on those platforms so that you can see the link that is available for each of our workshops. Again, these workshops are completely free, and we definitely encourage all of you to hop in when we have these workshops and just experiment and see how it's going and if you like it. Next, what will the workshops be about? We have decided on our first 3 workshops. The first one is going to be Quick Mental Math with Shalini S. The second one is Intro to Calligraphy Writing Techniques with Apoorva. And the third one is Math Tricks with Purnima. And these are super duper fun workshops. Our instructors are doing our best to make sure that these are academic and fun at the same time. A couple more details about our workshops. They are suitable for all age groups, so we encourage not only our younger students, but anybody who wants to view these workshops to gain a little bit more knowledge in the subject, to join in and view the workshop, engage with our instructors, and experiment a new topic or a new skill or activity through these workshops. Our workshops are academic and fun at the same time. As I've mentioned before, our instructors are doing their best to make the curriculum so that it fits this, this trait of being academic but fun. And finally, they are completely free to attend. So we want to make sure that you all have access to these free resources and especially these workshops, which are going to be very engaging. And how can you sign up? So first, you want to head over to our website at www.exceledlearning.org. You will be redirected to our homepage as soon as you enter our website. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see the open classes section. Then in that place, you will see the sign up link for these workshops. It's a Google form, so go ahead and click that link and fill out the information for whichever workshop you want to attend. Just a quick note that the sign-up link is not mandatory for any of the open classes that you attend. We definitely encourage you to fill out this sign-up form so that we can get to know a little bit more about you and we can stay in contact with you because we will be collecting your email in that form. But other than that, the sign-up link is completely optional. It's just a way for us to get to connect with you all, our students. Next, when will the workshops be held? So our first workshop coming up in the next week on Sunday, November 1st is going to be Quick Mental Math with Shalini. It's going to be at 12 p.m. Pacific time. So make sure you get the timing right. First of all, it's Pacific time. And second of all, November 1st is the day of daylight savings change. So make sure you get the timings right with these workshops. I know it can be a little bit confusing during the month of November. And then our second one is on Saturday, November 7th, so the week after. This one is going to be the Intro to Calligraphy and Writing Techniques with Apoorva. This is just a super fun class, all about calligraphy. The first one is going to be all about mental math and how to get quicker at mental math specifically. And then back to Apoorva's class. It's going to be at 5 p.m. Pacific time. Obviously, if you have any conflict with these times, the videos will be posted to our channel, so you can always view them afterwards. And if you have any questions while you're watching the video asynchronously, then please email our instructors at exceledlearning@gmail.com. We will have no trouble in answering your questions, and we would actually love to hear from you, including feedback about our workshops. The others are to be decided, and just stay on the lookout because we definitely have a lot of exciting things coming out for you all, and we are so happy to be presenting this project of ours to you guys. And if you have any questions, please contact us or learn more about us on our website, www.exceledlearning.org. Our Instagram, feel free to follow us. We definitely welcome you there at excel.ed.learning. Our email, you already know, is exceledlearning@gmail.com. And our Facebook page, if you search up ExcelEd Learning, it should pop up right there. Anyways, we are so happy to have you here, and we are so excited for this new project that we are just beginning to start. Remember that the first workshop is going to be next Sunday on November 1st. At 12 p.m. Pacific time. And just a reminder that the instructor will be there during the allotted time so that if you have any questions, you can ask them in the chat and the instructor will be there to respond if it's a YouTube premiere. But if it's a YouTube live, even better. The instructor is teaching you, they can view the chat, and they can respond right away. And that's just a basic for all of the workshops that we're going to have. Either way, please email us or contact us on whichever platform you can, and we'd be happy to hear from you, whether it's a suggestion, a feedback, or if it's just something to check in with us. That's it for today. We'll see you next weekend at the workshop.